To find the WorldPay setup, start by logging into your WorldPay account, which can be accessed through the WorldPay website. Once you have logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear or cog symbol. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Setup or Configuration. This will direct you to a new page where you can find various setup options, including payment processing, security settings, and account information. On this page, you will see a range of tabs or sections, each containing different setup options. The most common sections include payment methods, transaction settings, and fraud protection. To set up a specific payment method, click on the corresponding tab and follow the on-screen instructions to enter the required information. For example, to set up credit card payments, you will need to enter your merchant ID, account number, and other relevant details. It is essential to carefully review and complete each setup option to ensure that your WorldPay account is configured correctly and securely. Make sure to save your changes after making any updates to your setup. Additionally, WorldPay provides a range of guides and support resources to help you with the setup process. These resources can be accessed through the WorldPay website or by contacting their customer support team. By following these steps, you can easily find and complete the WorldPay setup, enabling you to start accepting payments and managing your transactions efficiently. Remember to regularly review and update your setup to ensure that it remains secure and aligned with your business needs. It is also important to note that the setup process may vary depending on the type of WorldPay account you have and the specific features you are using. Therefore, it is crucial to refer to the WorldPay documentation and support resources for specific guidance on setting up your account. In summary, finding and completing the WorldPay setup is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail and a basic understanding of the setup options available. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure that your WorldPay account is set up correctly and securely, allowing you to focus on growing your business.